Prince iPal here with your Science of Kindness. Think about this. Whenever there is a human in need, there's an opportunity for kindness and to make a difference. So anytime you see a chance to help somebody, do that. That's a great opportunity for you to show your kindness and to make a difference in the life of someone else. So there is your Science of Kindness.
Hi, I'm Dr. Freytag with Freytag Orthodontics. I'm here to share with you Dental Did You Know? Did you know that when you're a kid, you have 20 baby teeth? And when you're an adult or a grown-up, you have 32 teeth.
Principal Science here with your scientific word of the day. The scientific word of the day is corrosion. Corrosion is the wearing away of the surface of a metal by chemical reactions with oxygen and water. When a metal reacts with substances around it, such as water or air, it corrodes. The scientific word of the day is corrosion.
Hello, this is Mrs. Spruce, your Innovation Academy librarian. Today we are reading I Can Be Anything, Don't Tell Me I Can't by Diane Dillon. This book is dedicated to discouraging the frightened, negative little voice in our heads that keeps us from being all we can be. I can be anything I want to be. Zoe stretched her arms and spun around. I'm a bird. I can fly way up high, floating on the wind. What if you fall? Said a little voice. I won't fall. Birds have wings. If my wings get tired, I can fly in a rocket ship to a faraway planet. I'll meet planet people and have a tea party before I come home. What if you can't get home? Said the voice. Zoe ignored the voice. I can be an archaeologist and travel around the world and dig up dinosaur bones and buried treasures. What if you get homesick? You're too little, said the voice. No, I'm not. I'm bigger than you. Maybe I'll be a scientist and discover things, or I'll be an inventor and build a robot that will talk louder than you, so I won't hear you. The voice was quiet for a while. It's a really noisy robot. I'll be a veterinarian and help wild animals like tigers and bears and dragons, and I'll give them medicine to make them well. I'll bandage their hurts. What if they bite you? Said the voice. I'll be so gentle they won't bite me. They will know I am helping them. Oh, I know. I'll be a fire girl and rescue people. I'll drive a big fire engine with a loud siren that goes wee-oo, wee-oo, and rescue a kitty stuck in a tree. You can't drive a fire engine. That's silly, said the voice. That's not silly. I can be anything I want to be, and don't tell me I can't. I'll be an artist and paint pictures, and a museum will hang them up so people can see them. What if you don't have talent? Said the voice. Everybody has talent for something, and so do I. Besides, I'm smart. I can do anything if I try hard enough, and you won't stop me. I can even be an ornithologist who studies birds, or an oceanographer who explores the ocean. Or I can be a musician and give concerts all around the world. I can even be president if I want to be. You're just a voice and I don't have to listen to you. But I'm always with you, you know, said the voice, no matter what you do. You better be quiet or I'll be an alligator and eat you up, said Zoe. The voice didn't have an answer to that. It was silent again. I can be an astronomer and study the stars with a big telescope and discover new planets. Looks like Arizona. I'll be a famous chef and bake fancy cakes as tall as I am. Oh, and I'll write a book about my recipes. You can't write, the voice came back. But I'm going to learn how to write in school. Maybe I'll be a teacher and teach other kids how to write. Or I'll be a librarian and have a zillion books to share with everyone. You don't know what you want to be, do you? Said the voice. Go away, voice. I won't listen to you. I'm not grown up yet. I can be anything. But first, I have to learn to read. And read and read. And I'll read books about all the things I can be. Don't tell me I can't. She's reading a book about planets. That is I Can Be Anything. Don't Tell Me I Can't by Diane Dillon.
I'm Miss Meeker again, and we've been investigating triangles for the past few weeks. And so this time I wanted to make a triangle out of some common materials, some popsicle sticks, bottle caps. I took a paper clip, rubber band, a straw, and, well, of course, some glue to create this little tool that we can investigate a little bit more closely. You take this rubber band and you hook it on to the paper clip, and if you see here, I glued on this little piece of a toothpick to catch it, and then I pull it backwards to start building up some elastic energy, and I can help it along, right? Help along build some elastic energy, and I can let it go, and it does move. So maybe you can help me figure out some ways to improve the movement, make it faster, possibly make it slower. What other tools can you find at home to make your own moving triangle?
Welcome back, friends. I'm Miss Mathematician, and I'm here to talk about math again. Last week we talked about multiplying 11s. Now this week, since you just had a visit from Zero the Hero, I was thinking we should talk about the power of 10. So if you know your basic multiplication problems, like 2 times 3 equals 6, you will know how to do 2 times 30. Because 2 times 3 is still 6, right? But since we multiplied by 10, it has 1 0. So I add 1 0 behind it. Because we multiplied by 10s, we get an answer with 10s. Now we can do something by 100. 2 times 3 is 6. 100 has 2 zeros, which I add. And I know that my answer is 600. You could even go up to 2 times 3,000. 2 times 3 is 6, and you add 3 zeros to get 6,000. Hopefully you can do some of these at home to practice, and you can be super smart.
Hi, this is Mrs. Cordell, your science historian here at IA. This week I'm going to be talking about a young lady named Erin McGee. Now, we think of history as things in the past. I've talked about a couple scientists from the past, but history is being made every day. And this young lady is making history. Just this past January 2nd, I believe, she was named one of Forbes' 30 under 30 scientists. That means she's under 30 years old. She is actually a student at U of A, and she's set to graduate this year. She's a wildlife biologist, and she studies lizards. Her nickname is the Lizard Lady. So she's trying to teach people in Arizona about all the different types of lizards and their habitats. She's on Twitter, and every Wednesday plays a game with local people to teach them about lizards. And she also encourages young ladies to get into science and wildlife science. So this is our person in history this week.
Oh, hey guys, I'm so glad you're here. I'm having a really hard time with one of these words. I can't figure out how to say this word right here.
Oh, okay.
When two gals go walking.
The first one does the talking, and I'm gonna say my name. E.
Oh, okay, so S-E-A-T is seat. I get it now.
Yeah.
All right.
When two gals go walking, the first one does the talking. In seat you'll hear the E and not the A.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Prince iPal Science and Friends. Ta-ta for now.